Hello children, welcome to Shiji's Hindi classes. In this session, we will be doing chapter 2 of Sparsh Bhag 2, Meera ke Pad. I have done couple of chapters of Sparsh Bhag 2. I will be sharing the link of all the videos in the description. So if you have not seen it, you can go through the same. If you like my videos and if you find it useful, please do share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell button for future notification of my videos. Meera ke Pad. Meera. Who is Meera? Meera. She is also known as Meerabai. She was one of the great devotee of Lord Krishna. She never had a very happy life. So it is said that to get rid of the worldly sorrows, she left her home and she settled in Vrindavan. So today we are going to learn some of the pad written by Meerabai. Now let's start with the pad. हरि आप हरो जनरी भीर, द्रौपदी रीलाज राखी आप बढ़ायु चीर, भगत कारण रूप नरहरि धरियो आप शरीर, बूढ़तो गजराज राखियो काटी कुंजर पीर, दासी मीरा लाल गिरधर हरो मारी भीर. So let's see the first two lines. Hari. Who is Hari here? Shri Krishna. Haro means remove, mitana. Jan. Who is Jan here? Jan means you devotees. Bhakt. Bheer, pain, sorrow, dukh dard. Laj, इज्जत और प्राइड. बढ़ायो एक्सटेंड, ओके, बढ़ाना. चीर क्लॉथ और कपड़ा. इन दिस पद मीराबाई इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द लव ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा टुवर्ड्स हिज डिवोटीज. सो व्हाट शी इज सेइंग, ओ लॉर्ड, ओ कृष्णा मीन्स हरि, ओ कृष्णा, you remove means haro. You remove the pain and sorrow. Pain and sorrow means bheer. You remove the pain and sorrow of your devotees. Devotees here is Jan. Okay. So, O Lord, you remove the pain and sorrows of your devotees. So, she is giving some examples for that. The first example she is giving is of Draupadi. Okay. Draupadi, how he saved Draupadi? Laj means it said he saved the honor of Draupadi by increasing the cloth. Cheer means cloth, by increasing the cloth. So here cheer is basically sari. Okay, he extended the sari and he saved the honor of Draupadi. Okay, this is a story in Mahabharata, and Draupadi is a great devotee of Lord Krishna. इस पद में मीरा श्री कृष्ण के भक्तों के प्रति उनके प्रेम का वर्णन करते हुए कहती है कि हे श्री कृष्ण, आप अपने भक्तों का दुख दर्द मिटाने या नाश करने वाले हैं और करते हैं. उदाहरण के रूप में वह बताती है किस तरह उन्होंने साड़ी के कपड़े को बढ़ाकर द्रौपदी की इज्जत बचाई. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट टू लाइन्स. भगत कारण रूप नरहरि धरियो आप शरीर, बूढ़तो गजराज राखियो काटे कुंजर पीर. भगत कारण, फॉर योर डिवोटीज, भक्त के कारण. नरहरि, नरसिंह अवतार. धरियो, धारण, अडॉप्टेड. शरीर, शरीर, बॉडी. गजराज, हाथियों का राजा. हु इज हाथियों का राजा? इट्स एरावत. Okay, king of elephant, and what is his name? It's Eravat. Kati, marna or killed. Kunjar, it's hathi, means elephant. In this again Meera is giving some examples where he saved his devotees. So first is like Bhakt Karan Roop Narhari, for his Bhakt. Bhakt Karan means for your devotee. Who was that devotee? Prahlad. Okay, for your devotee Prahlad, you took the form or roop or sharir, that is body. You took the form or sharir of whom? Narasimha, that is Narhari. You took the form or roop of Narasim to protect your devotee Prahlad. In the same way, you saved Gajraj. Who is Gajraj here? King of elephant. That is Eravat. You saved Gajraj from crocodile and you saved his life when he was in trouble. You killed the crocodile. Kati is killed. So you killed the crocodile and you saved Gajraj. इस पद में मीरा कुछ और उदाहरण देते हुए कहती है कि हे प्रभु, जिस तरह तुमने अपने भक्त प्रहलाद के कारण नरसिंह रूप या शरीर को धारण कर उन्हें बचाया और हाथी के राजा एरावत की मगरमच्छ से भी रक्षा की या उन्हें बचाया जब वह मुसीबत में थे. द लास्ट लाइन, दासी मीरा लाल गिरधर हरो मारी भीर. लाल गिरधर मीन्स श्री कृष्णा. Mari means Mary या mine. Bhir means pain and sorrow या Dugdha. So in this line, what the last line Meera is saying, O Lord Krishna, the way you helped all your devotees. Who all were there? Like Draupadi. You saved the honor of Draupadi. You saved Prahlad. As well as you saved Eravat from crocodile. So the way you saved your devotees, please the same way you also remove the pain and sorrow which I am having. Just remove or kill all those pain and sorrow. So इस पद में मीरा श्री कृष्ण से कह रही हैं कि जिस तरह आपने द्रौपदी की इज्जत बचाई, भक्त प्रहलाद और एरावत की रक्षा की, उसी प्रकार आप अपने इस दासी के भी सभी दुख को मिटा दो या नाश कर दो. नेक्स्ट इज श्याम माने चाकर राखो जी, गिरधारी लाला माने चाकर राखो जी. चाकर रहस्यों बाग लगास्यों, नित उठ दर्शन पास्यों. बिंदरावन री कुंज गली में गोविंद लीला गास्यों. चाकरी में दर्शन पास्यों, सुमरन पास्यों खर्ची. भाव भगति जागीरी पास्यों, तीन बाता सरसी. So on the first two lines, what she is saying, श्याम माने चाकर राखो जी, गिरधारी लाला माने चाकर राखो जी. Here श्याम is Lord Krishna. माने means मुझे, me. चाकर is नौकर or servant. राखो means रखो, keep. Girdhari Lala is again Shri Krishna. So what she is saying, Syam Mani Chaka Rakhoji, means in this pad Meera is saying, Lord Krishna, keep me as your servant. Okay, in the first two lines she is repeating the same thing. Oh Lord Krishna, keep me as your servant. Chakar रहस्यों बाग लगाइस्यों, नित उठ दर्शन पास्यों. बिंदरावनरी कुंज गली में गोविंद लीला गास्यों. रहस्यों रहकर, ओके. बाग बगीचा गार्डन. लगाइस्यों लगाना, कीप और मेंटेन. दर्शन दर्शन व्यू. पास्यों पाना और गेट. बिंदरावनस वृंदावन. कुंज, that is Sankari, very narrow streets. Gali means streets. Leela Roop, vivid roop, like various forms. Gaisyu, Gana or sing. So what she is saying, like in the first two lines she is saying, keep me as your servant. So by becoming servant, what she will do? She will maintain, okay, the garden. She'll maintain the garden of Lord Krishna. Why she wanted to do that? Because by doing that she will be able to, like every day when she get up, Nit Ut means every day when she will get up, she will be able to get the view of Lord Krishna. Darshan is view. So she'll be able to get the view of Lord Krishna every day. And apart from that, what she wanted to do, like Vrindavan, that in the narrow streets of Vrindavan, Kunj Gali means narrow streets of Vrindavan, she wanted to sing the stories, okay, the various forms and various stories of Lord Krishna. And how she wanted to say this? In the form of song. She wanted to say all the leelas or all the various stories, forms of Lord Krishna in the form of songs. So in the first 4 lines, what they are saying, मीरा श्री कृष्ण से उन्हें अपना नौकर बनाकर रखने की अपेक्षा कर रही हैं। और वो ऐसा क्यों कर रही हैं? वो इसलिए चाहती हैं कि वो नौकर बनकर उनका बगीचा लगाएं, और वो इसलिए करना चाहती है क्योंकि ऐसे करने से उन्हें हर दिन रोज़ सुबह उठकर श्री कृष्ण के दर्शन मिलेंगे या वो उनके दर्शन पा सकेंगी। उसी के साथ वह वृंदावन के तंग गलियाँ, संकरी गलियों में वो क्या करना चाहती हैं? वहाँ पर श्री कृष्ण की लीला या कहानियों को गीत के रूप में बयान या गाना चाहती हैं। नेक्स्ट 2 लाइन्स, चाकरी में दर्शन पासियों, सुमरन पासियों खर्ची, भाव भगति जागिरी पासियों, तीनों बाता सर से। सुमरन याद करना और रिमेंबर, खर्ची सताना, इट्स लाइक दैट the pain, when you have that pain, when you remember someone and you cannot see that pain, it will be there, no? That is kharchi. Jagir, jagiri means jagiri, साम्राज्य और empire. सरसी फायदा, benefit. तीन बात, 3 things. भाव भगति, भावना, bhakti, feelings और devotions. So in this 2 line, what Meera wants to say? She is saying, तीन बातें सर से. There are 3 benefits which she is going to get, okay, when she will be with Lord Krishna. What are the 3 benefits she is saying? The first is chakri में darshan पासियो. When she will become the servant of Lord Krishna, she will get that blessing, that she will be able to view or see Krishna daily. Right? Darshan means darshan or view. Sumaran pasyung kharchi. And if she will be able to see Lord Krishna, what will happen? She will not remember him, because she can see whenever Lord Krishna is there. So she will never miss Lord Krishna. So that pain of separation will not be there when she is with Lord Krishna. Bhav Bhakti Jagiri Pasyam. Bhava Bhakti means your feelings, your devotion. Okay, so that Jagiri is empire. The empire of her devotion and her feelings. It will what happen? It will increase day by day, because she is able to see Lord Krishna. Okay, she is not that separation pain is not there, and when she will see the Lord Krishna daily, that her bhakti, her devotion and her feelings will increase day by day. So the empire of her and this devotion and feelings, that will increase day by day. So these are the 3 benefits which she is going to get when she will be with Lord Krishna. इस पद में मीरा 3 बातों के फ़ायदे के बारे में बता रही है। कौन से फ़ायदे हैं? सबसे पहला है, वो कृष्ण से कहती हैं कि वो अगर उनकी नौकर मतलब उनको नौकर बनने का भी मौका मिल जाता है तो उससे उनका क्या फ़ायदा है? पहला फ़ायदा कि वो हमेशा उनको उनके दर्शन मिलेंगे। ओके, वो सामने रहेंगी तो वो हर दिन उनको देख सकती हैं। और अगर वो उनको दूसरा फ़ायदा क्या है? जब वो हमेशा उनको देखेंगी या उनके पास रहेंगी तो उनकी याद उनको नहीं सताएगी, उनको ना देखने का वो जो दुख है वो उनके मन में नहीं रहेगा। और तीसरा फ़ायदा क्या है? जब वो साथ रहेंगी, उनका जो भक्ति और भावना का जो साम्राज्य है, उनका जो भगवान कृष्ण के प्रति जो भक्ति और भावना है, वो दिन ब दिन क्या होगा? वो बढ़ता जाएगा, वो कम नहीं होगा, बढ़ता जाएगा। तो भक्ति और भावना को यहाँ उनका साम्राज्य बताया गया है, तो वो साम्राज्य उनका बढ़ेगा और कभी कम नहीं होगा। मोर मुकुट पीताम्बर सोहे, गल वैजंती माला, बिंद्रावन में धेनु चरावे, मोहन मुरली वाला। ऊंचा ऊंचा महल बनाओ, बिच बिच राखूं बारी, सांवरिया रा दर्शन पास्यूं, पहर कुसुम्बी साड़ी। आधी रात प्रभु दर्शन, दीजियो जमुना जी रे तीरा, मीरा रा प्रभु गिरधर नगर, हेवड़ो घणो अंधेरा। मोर मुकुट पीतांबर सोहे, गल वैजंती माला, बिंद्रावन में धेनु चरावे, मोहन मुरली वाला। मोर मुकुट, मोर के पंखों का मुकुट मीन्स क्राउन मेड ऑफ पीकॉक फेदर। पीतांबर पीला वस्त्र, येलो ड्रेस। सोहे धारण वेयर। गल गले, नेक धेनु गाय काउ। चरावे चराना ग्रेस। मुरली flute or bansuri. So what in these two lines here Meera is basically describing the beauty of Lord Krishna. Okay, how she is describing? More mukut pitambar means more mukut is basically what she is saying, the Krishna when he is wearing a crown made of peacock feather. More is peacock feather. And what dress he is wearing? Yellow. Pitambar means yellow dress, and he is wearing a yellow dress. And in his neck, gal vaijanti mala. Gal is neck. In his neck he is wearing a mala or a chain, and it is made of what? Vaijanti. Vaijanti is basically a flower, so it is made up of a flower. That chain, it is made up of flowers, and he is wearing that. And what is he doing in Vrindavan? He is grazing the cow. Dhenu is cow. Charavi means graze. He is grazing the cow. And at that time what he is doing? He is playing his flute. Mohan Murli Wala. And he is playing his flute. And while he is playing his flute, what is happening? He is attracting with that melodious voice. Everybody is attracted towards that beautiful music or that beautiful melodious music tune. Okay. इस पद में मीरा श्री कृष्ण का सुंदरता का वर्णन करते हुए कहती है कि कृष्ण ने सर पर मोर के पंखों वाला मुकुट और पीला वस्त्र धारण किया है और उनके गले में वैजंती फूलों वाली माला है। वह जब वृंदावन में गाय को चराते समय अपनी बांसुरी बजाते हैं, तब वह सभी का मन मोह लेते हैं। Now see the next two lines. ऊंचा ऊंचा महल बनाऊं, बिच बिच राखूं बारी, सांवरियारा दर्शन पास्यूं, पहर कुसुम्बी साड़ी। बनाओ means banana, make. बारी बगीचा, garden. बिच means बीच में or in the middle of. सांवरिया प्रिय. Here Sanvarya is Lord Krishna, this loved one. Pahar पहनकर, by wearing. So what here Meera is saying? ऊंचा ऊंचा महल बनाओ. She will make a very tall bangla. Mahal is basically bungalow. Okay, she will make a very big or tall bungalow. Where she will make? Bich rakhum bari. In the middle of that garden. Bari's garden. In the middle of that garden which she was maintaining. And that garden was in front of Lord Krishna's house, right? So she will make a very big bungalow in the middle of the garden which she was maintaining. And what she will be wearing? Pehar kusumbi sadi. Kusumbi sadi, here it's basically they are talking about she will do the sringar, makeup and all. By doing all the makeup, she will be in her bungalow, and after that Sanvarya is Lord Krishna or loved one. She will be able to get the darshan. She will be able to get the view of Lord Krishna by how she'll get? She will be in the she'll make the bungalow in the middle of that garden. She will be doing the proper makeup and all, and she will get the darshan or view of Lord Krishna. इस पद में मीरा कहती है कि मैं बाग या बगीचे जिसमें वो पहले भी उसने बात किया था कि वो उसमें काम मतलब नौकर बन के वो उस बाग में काम करना चाहती है। तो उसी बाग की बात करें, वहाँ पे उस बगीचे के बीच में वो एक ऊंचा महल बनाना चाहती है, वो बनाएंगी उधर। और कुसुम्बी साड़ी मतलब वो पूरा श्रृंगार करके, उसे पहनकर, साड़ी को पहनकर पूरा श्रृंगार करके अपने प्रिय अर्थात श्री कृष्ण के दर्शन पा सकेंगी। Let's see the last two lines. आधी रात प्रभु दर्शन दीजियो जमुना जी रे तीरा, मीरा रा प्रभु गिरधर नागर हिवड़ो घणो अधीरा। आधी रात means midnight. Prabhu, Bhagwan. So who is Prabhu here? Lord Krishna or God. Dijiyo, dena, give. Jamuna, Jamuna. Tira, kinara, on the bank of the Jamuna river. Hivado, Hriday, heart. Ghano, बहुत, too much. Adhira, व्याकुल होना, or very much disturbed. So what here Meera is saying? She's saying, oh Lord, like my heart, it's like it's very much disturbed to just get a single view of yours. My heart is like eagerly waiting, or eagerly I just want to see you. And what she's saying, now I cannot wait more. So she is saying, please give me a single view, a darshan of you. Adhirat means when she wants to get that view in the midnight. Adhirat is midnight. And where she wants to get that darshan? On the river bank of Jamuna. Diju Jamuna ji ke re tira. Tira means bank of river Jamuna. So she is saying, oh God, now my heart, it's like I cannot wait. My heart is eagerly waiting to get a view of you. So please give me your darshan or view in the midnight. And where? On the shore or the bank of Jamuna. इस पद में मीरा कहती है कि हे कृष्णा, आपके दर्शन को पाने के लिए मेरा हृदय बहुत ही व्याकुल है। मैं अब और इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकती, इसलिए आप आधी रात को जमुना के किनारे अपने दर्शन दें। So with this we have finished Meera Ki Pad. Hope you understood the poem well. In case if you have any doubt, you can send your query to my comment box. I will review and reply to the same. So I'll meet you in the next session with a new poem or chapter. Till then, take care and bye.